Hey, good food lovers! If you love pancakes but want something a little lighter, fluffier and packed with coffee flavour, these cappuccino pancakes are for you. They're easy, cozy and come together faster than your morning coffee. And if you enjoy simple, reliable recipes like this one, don't forget to subscribe for more. We start with 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of natural sweetener, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ cups of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And if you enjoy easy, no fuss recipes like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new one. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and pour in the milk mixture. Mix gently, just until combined. Gently fold in the chocolate chips. For the frosting, 1/2 cup of low-fat vanilla Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and now the hot fudge, 2½ tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of sweetener, 3 tablespoons of hot water. Mix until smooth and glossy. Tell me in the comments what recipe you'd like to see next. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour 1/4 cup of batter per pancake and cook until golden and fluffy. Stack the warm pancakes, spoon the cappuccino frosting over the top, then drizzle generously with that rich hot fudge sauce. These pancakes are soft, chocolatey and full of coffee flavor, perfect for any day of the week. Don't forget to check the recipe card above, save it for later, and subscribe for more easy, delicious ideas.